Lows in the upper
Ready to
40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain in the morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%.
Oh, sorry, false one. Wait, never mind.
This is the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KC56. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be posted on the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm zone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. The warning alarm zone will be activated. This watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hunt, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Hammond. This concludes the test of weather radio station KC56. And now the extended forecast. Friday night.
And we're done.